Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to stop message requests on Facebook Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. The Facebook Messenger app has a setting that gives you several options for stopping message requests. This is useful if you don't want to get unwanted messages on Facebook. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now go to Privacy. Then select Message Delivery. And you will get several different options here. First tap on People with your phone number. By default, message requests from people on Facebook with your phone number will be delivered to your chats list. You can select to receive it in your message requests, or not to receive them at all. Now go back. Similar way, go to every other options on this page, and select Don't Receive Requests. From now on, you won't receive any message requests from any people. So these are all the things you need to know about stopping message requests on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.